Hello children, hope you all are fine at your home and also are studying through these online video classes and the notes provided to you. And this is also my suggestion that don't waste the time and whatever is told to you to do to complete the notes on time and to study also properly at your home. Okay, utilize the time just and don't waste the time. Now we have already started the chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric, and studied about the wool fiber, that is one of the animal fiber. But now in this video we are now going to study about the another next type of animal fiber, that is the silk fiber. Okay, so silk fiber is another animal fiber and it is obtained from, yes, of course, animals, and very light in weight, lustrous, that means having shiny appearance, and also is very smooth to touch. Okay, so children, first of all, the silk fiber, the discovery of silk fiber was first of all done in China around 5000 years ago, and in India it was discovered near 1700 years ago. So the people who are rearing the silk moth to obtain the silk fiber from them, that is called sericulture. Okay, the rearing of silk moth to obtain the silk fiber, that is called sericulture. So in sericulture, actually the silk moth mother is also going through the life cycle of a silk moth also is having 4 important different stages, like that a butterfly which you have studied in your junior classes. So like that in butterfly, the silk moth is also having 4 stages. The first one is egg, the next one is larva or caterpillar, third one is pupa, and the fourth one is adult silk moth. Okay, the first one is egg. First of all, the female silk moth gives 100 of eggs, lay 100 of eggs on the mulberry leaves, because mulberry leaves is the favorite food for the silk moth. And in India, mainly the mulberry silks are produced, and it is situated in so many states of India like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. Okay, so first of all, the female silk moth lays 100 of eggs on the mulberry leaves. This is the first stage. Now, after 3 to 5 days, what happened? These eggs hatched and insect type larva comes out from the egg, that is called caterpillar, and this is the second stage of silk moth. What is it? After 3 to 5 days, the egg hatched, an insect larva comes out from it, that is called caterpillar. When caterpillars comes out, they feed on mulberry leaves, okay, and start growing up. They start growing up by eating the mulberry leaves. After 5 to 6 weeks, that means 1.5 months. Okay, after 1.5 months, or you can also say 5 to 6 weeks, when they grow enough and becomes ready, they start secreting very sticky fluid from their mouth. चिपचिपा liquid निकालते हैं अपने mouth से. Like that, we have saliva inside our mouth. Whenever we eat food, we use our saliva to digest the food. Like that, they also secretes very sticky fluid from their mouth, and that is one of the type of protein that is called fibroin. So that protein is called fibroin, which is secreted by their mouth. Okay, and whenever the fibroin comes out and exposed to air, it hardens up. And wrap the silk moth in a ball type structure. This ball type structure is called cocoon. Okay, that is called cocoon. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar remains. Okay, and this caterpillar inside the cocoon is now termed as pupa. This is the third stage of silk moth. So pupa means whenever they wrap themselves around the cocoon, and inside the cocoon they start growing. That stage is called pupal stage. Okay, and after some time, after 1 to 2 weeks, when they grow enough, they cut the cocoon and comes out. They dries their wings in the sun and flies away, and that is called adult silk moth. So there is a 4 stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult moth. 4 life stages of a silk moth. I think you all have understand it better. But now we will study about the journey of cocoon to silk. How the silk fiber is processed, and there are different 10 stages from cocoon to silk fiber. So now let's start with the first stage. First of all, eggs of silk moth are stored carefully on the strips of cloth or paper. So first of all, when the silk moth gives a cloth, those people who are involved in this type of occupation, they are keeping the eggs of silk moth very carefully on paper or on the cloth. This is the first step. Second step, the eggs are kept at hygienic condition of temperature and humidity until the caterpillar comes out. So the farmers, those who are doing the sericulture, what happened? What they are doing? Actually, they are keeping the eggs at a very hygienic condition. Whatever temperature and humidity is required for them, they are giving them that one, and also are taking care of that eggs very much until the caterpillar does not comes out from the egg and the egg does not hatches out. Until they are keeping it at a very hygienic condition, gives them a constant proper temperature and proper hygienic condition. Now third step is caterpillar kept in bamboo trays and fed on mulberry leaves. So when the egg hatch, in the third stage, when the egg hatch, the caterpillar comes out from the egg. Now this caterpillar, when they comes out from the eggs, they are kept in a bamboo trays, okay, and fed on fresh chopped mulberry leaves, and they are given the mulberry leaves to grow, for their growth. Okay, that is the third stage. Now in fourth stage, when stop eating, shifted to bamboo chambers provided with racks and twigs, they spin cocoon. So in this stage, when stop eating, when the caterpillars stop eating after 3 to 5 weeks, when they are ready and stop feeding, now they shifted to bamboo chambers, box type chambers are made up of to rear this silk moth. Okay, so they are shifted to the bamboo chambers provided with rags and twigs, so that they feel that they are living in the natural environment, not in an artificial environment, so that inside the chambers so many twigs of plants and the rags are provided. Okay, and in that chambers they start spinning the cocoon, they start giving out the sticky fluid from their mouth, fibroin, and they covered themselves, spin themselves around the cocoon. Okay. Now in step 5, at the end of pupal stage, the moth cut the cocoon and flies out. And in the fifth stage, what happened? When they grows enough inside the cocoon, they cut the cocoon and flies out. But children, remember that step 5 is not involved in sericulture, because once they fly out, the cocoon is wasted and the silk fiber will not obtain from it. So step 5 is not involved in sericulture. Okay, in sericulture, in order to obtain the silk from them, we are not allowing the pupa to come out from the cocoon. In step 6, what happened? The cocoon are then sorted out according to their color, size, shape and texture. So whenever they are inside, the pupa is inside the cocoon, we sorted it out. The farmers, those who are doing this occupation, they are sorting them according to their color, size, shape and texture. Now in stage 7, yes, in 7th stage, the sorted cocoon are collected and immersed in boiling water to kill the insect inside them. So in that 7th step, that sorted cocoon, as I told you children, step 5 is not involved in sericulture. Actually, the cocoon is, the pupa is not allowed to come out from the cocoon, and in that cocoon stage, pupal stage, it is sorted on the basis of different colors, size, shape and texture. In the seventh stage, the shorted cocoon are collected and immersed into the boiling water to kill the insect inside the cocoon. Inside the cocoon, which one is present? Yes, the pupa is present, and to kill the pupa, it is immersed into boiling water, and this is the step 7. Now in step 8, the cocoon are given a series of hot and cold immersions. This makes the silk gum soft. And now it is in step 8, it is first immersed in hot water, then again in cold water, again in hot water. A series of hot and cold immersions are given to the cocoon to make the silk gum soft, okay, and lustrous. Now in step 9, the silk filament are separated from the cocoon called reeling of silk, and then it is dyed in various color. So in step 9, the silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon, and that is called reeling of silk. What is reeling of silk? The process of obtaining the silk fiber from the cocoon, that is called reeling of silk, and that silk is called raw silk, and that raw silk is dyed in various colors to give the silk to give the silk fiber. And then step 10, silk fiber are spun to get silk threads, and silk threads are woven to get silk cloth, and then this silk fiber is spun to get silk threads, okay, and these silk threads, whenever they are weaved, they are given a silk cloth. And as you already know, there are so many uses of silk items, okay. We are using the silk item in clothing, as a clothing material, in hosiery, or in different types of bed sheet, making bed sheet, or making the different types of cloth materials. So silk fiber is also used, and it is very costly animal fiber. So I think so your chapter is completed, chapter 3, fiber to fabric. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in my personal WhatsApp number. You can message me or you can call me, okay. And I have also provided notes along with this video, so please write that notes in your science fair copy. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.